For over 80 years, industry leaders have turned to Molyslip lubricants to answer some of their toughest manufacturing applications. And it's no wonder. Molyslip began with innovation when entrepreneur Baron Rolf Beck created a lubricant compound that revolutionized industry in the 1930s. With that technology, Baron Beck founded Molyslip, and ever since, we've been at the forefront of lubricant innovation. We've always prided ourselves on being responsive to the needs of industry. During the 40s, 50s, and 60s, due to the proliferation of the motor vehicle, we developed some of the most widely distributed engine oil supplements. Those products are still in use today in cutting-edge manufacturing companies and Formula One racing. At Molyslip, our commitment to industry, and more importantly to developing the most advanced lubricant formulations on the market, has been part of the company DNA since day one. And that commitment continues today in our state-of-the-art laboratory located at our company headquarters in the United Kingdom. Our dedicated team of development chemists are working to create lubricants that are future-focused and ethically driven. We strive to offer non-toxic, eco-friendly options that are chlorine-free and metal-free within every product range. Trusted and used by industry leaders around the world, Molyslip's dedication to technology and innovation has paid off. In the last 20 years, our product range of specialist lubricants has grown to service oil and gas, marine, automotive, maintenance, metal processing and transport industries. It is our priority for customers to run at peak efficiency, and for 80 years, Molyslip has delivered a world-class service and superior performance products.